Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Triumph America twin cylinder 865cc. Beautiful classic cruiser style with mag wheels, little fly screen, engine guards, floorboards, Viking locking side cases. This beautiful metallic black cruiser just arrived with only 2,800 miles on the odometer. Come on by, make your European cruiser dreams come true for just $59.90. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.